Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I could take my hairstylist home with me? Have you tried to recreate in-salon looks with little to no success, only to feel lost and confused? Or maybe you're just looking for new inspiration and want to learn more. I'm Krystina Johner, your how-to hairstylist, and here I share with you the best ways to create in-salon looks with confidence and ease. Hey guys, I'm Krystina Johner, and I just wanted to take a second to introduce myself and explain what this new channel is going to be all about. So I have been in the industry for now a little over a decade, and 7 of those wonderful years have been spent as an educator. In that time, I've gotten to teach stylists and so many other people on stages and in classes, but I think what's really important and what's really missing is being able to better educate our guests. So I know so many of you have said, and probably tell your own hairstylist, I wish I could take you home with me. And although we really wish that we could be the ones doing your hair every single day, we want to empower you to be able to create the same looks that we do in the salon. You guys are our walking billboards, and we know that in order for our hair color and our haircuts to look the best, we need to give you all of the tools and the know-how on how to style your hair and feel confident that you're recreating the same looks that you have received in the salon. There is so much content on the internet to absorb and to learn from, and one of those major ones being YouTube. One of the things that led me to making this channel is there's so many videos out there, but maybe just giving a little bit of incorrect information or misleading you, or maybe just not offering you the very best. I felt like there was a strong need for this channel because there is a lack of professional recommendation. Anytime that you want to get a new service done or something that you just don't know about, you want to seek out a professional, somebody that has spent a lot of time developing their craft, learning as much as they can, being on the cutting edge of everything that's new, and really going to somebody for that reliable, trusted source. My mission behind creating Your How-To Hairstylist was to create a resource to solve all of the problems that I had heard clients share with me as their hairstylist. Thank you so much for tuning in and tagging along on the journey of your how-to hairstylist.